Getting started on TripSavr 2.0 has never been this easy. But first, find out which TripSavr you're using. It's simple. Accounts purchased May 2017 onwards are TripSavr 2.0 users. Otherwise, feel free to upgrade to enjoy additional features and benefits. After getting TripSavr from the QNet store, you can now start planning your next vacation. Simply sign in as an independent representative by filling in your username and password. Forgot your password? Simply click here to get a new one. Can't find your email confirmation? Check your spam folder. And you're ready to go. What's great about TripSavr 2.0? It gives you access to more than 400,000 hotels worldwide, more than 8,000 car rental locations, and over 1,000 holiday activities. As a member, you get great discounts from your savings dollars account when you book. You can also check your remaining balance here. Here, you can manage your profile, change password, update credit card details, and view your reservation history and savings activities. Booking a holiday on TripSavr 2.0 is as easy as 1, 2, 3. When trying to search for a hotel, go to the main page and type in your destination. Select your check-in and check-out dates, number of travelers, and then click the search button. Wow! 460 hotels available on the selected dates. Great, isn't it? Each listed hotel gives you a public price, your possible savings, and the discounted TripSavr price, taxes included. The savings dollars will be deducted from your balance. You may also sort or filter the results according to the following categories: biggest dollar savings, hotel rating, hotel name. See other information about the hotel, location, facilities, pictures, and traveler reviews. For this deal, the average price per night without tax is $104. Let's see what other websites offer on the same booking dates. And voila! You got the best deal. Now select your room type. You can choose yourself as a traveler or book for a friend. Check your booking information in the summary and proceed to payment using any of the options available. Before you submit your booking, make sure to carefully review the terms and conditions and the cancellation policy. And that's it! You can place your reservation. A confirmation voucher will be sent to your registered email. You can also find it in the dashboard under View Reservation. Another cool thing about TripSavr 2.0, you can share it with friends and get rewards. Here's how. Go to My Dashboard, go to TripSavr Rewards, and fill in your friends' details. TripSavr will automatically send an invitation to your friend with an activation link and a personal message from you. Your friend must click on the link provided and use the activation code to register her account. And that's it! Your buddy is now a preferred customer on TripSavr 2.0 with a valid account for 6 months. As a new account, your friends can either purchase some savings dollars on the website, or you can, as an IR, transfer some of yours free of charge. How do you earn travel credits? Simply travel, refer, and earn. Whenever your preferred customer books a trip, you instantly earn travel credits. For every 70 savings dollars used by your preferred customer, you earn $20 travel credits. Use your accumulated travel credits to pay for your own bookings or transfer them to your Q account whenever you've reached $250. You can even help your preferred customer to sign up as an IR to enjoy the same range of benefits as you. Remember, there's no limit to the preferred customer accounts, so give it away to as many travel lovers you know, encourage them to use, and help your business grow. What are you waiting for? Join TripSavr 2.0 today and be part of the most extensive travel community in the world.